Did you know you have something surprising in common with that banana sitting on your kitchen counter? It's not your love for sunny weather or your tendency to bruise easily. It's your DNA. That's right. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. Now, before you start questioning your family tree or checking your reflection for yellow spots, let me explain. It sounds absolutely wild, but it's a fascinating glimpse into the shared ancestry of all life on Earth. So, how is this even possible? We look nothing like a banana. Well, it all comes down to genes. Genes are specific segments of DNA that act like instruction manuals for building and running a living organism. The 60% we share with bananas isn't just random code. It represents the genes responsible for the most fundamental, basic functions of life. Think about it. Both you and a banana need to do things like process energy, repair cells, and get rid of waste. These core cellular processes are so ancient and so essential that the genes controlling them have been passed down through billions of years of evolution. Let's pray. They're the biological equivalent of the engine, the transmission, and the wheels of a car. Whether you're driving a sports car or a delivery truck, you need these basic parts to function. Similarly, whether you're a human or a banana, you need genes to manage things like cell division, metabolism, and DNA replication. For example, both of us use a process called cellular respiration to turn food into energy. The genes that code for the enzymes and proteins involved in this process are remarkably similar across a huge range of species, including us and our fruity friends. But hold on, what about the other 40%? That's where all the interesting differences come in. That remaining portion of our DNA is what makes us human. It codes for things like our complex brains, our ability to walk on two legs, and our opposable thumbs. A banana's unique DNA, on the other hand, gives it its yellow peel, its starchy texture, and its ability to grow on a plant. So while we share the basic operating system, the apps we're running are completely different. This is why you can think and talk, while a banana is really good at, well, being a banana. And it's not just bananas. We share 5% of our DNA with mice, which makes sense since they are also mammals. We share around 98% with chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. Looking at these percentages is like looking at a family album of life itself. The more recently we shared a common ancestor with another species, the more DNA we have in common. The common ancestor we share with bananas lived over 1 billion years ago. It was likely a single-celled organism called a eukaryote, the grandparent of all complex life, including animals, plants, and fungi. So, this fact isn't just a quirky piece of trivia to impress your friends with. It's a powerful illustration of the theory of evolution and the interconnectedness of all living things on our planet. It shows that despite our vast differences on the surface, we all originated from the same ancient spark of life. The genetic code is a universal language, and by studying it, we can read the epic story of how life evolved and diversified into the incredible variety we see today. From the tallest redwood tree to the smallest insect, we are all distant cousins, sharing a common biological heritage. Think about the implications for science. Understanding these shared genes helps researchers in countless ways. By studying a gene in a simpler organism like a fruit fly or even a banana plant, scientists can learn about how a similar gene functions in humans. This is fundamental to medical research, helping us understand diseases and develop new treatments. For example, many genes involved in cancer in humans have counterparts in other species. Studying how these genes work in a different context can provide vital clues to fighting the disease in our own bodies. This genetic overlap, also forces us to reconsider our place in the natural world. It's a humbling reminder that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. Every living thing is a variation on a theme, a unique expression of a shared genetic toolkit. This perspective can foster a deeper sense of respect and responsibility for the environment and all the life it supports. After all, if we're related to everything, then harming another part of the ecosystem is, in a way, harming a part of our own extended family. It's also a testament to the incredible efficiency of nature. Why reinvent the wheel? If a set of genes works perfectly for managing cellular energy, evolution will keep it. This principle of if it ain't broke, don't fix it is why these fundamental genes have been conserved for so long. They are the tried and true building blocks that have been working for eons. Evolution then tinkers with the other parts of the genome, creating new features and adaptations that allow species to thrive in different environments. So, the next time you peel a banana for your morning cereal, take a moment to appreciate your humble yellow cousin. It's not just a taste snack. It's a living, breathing reminder of your deep connection to the entire web of life. It's a symbol of our shared biological past and the elegant, universal language of DNA that unites us all. This incredible fact doesn't make us less human. It makes us part of something much, much bigger. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as mind-blowing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts about our world. See you next time.